Alright, so welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful and exciting tutorial, I'm trying to see how to use the new PyCharm UI. So this version or this feature is available from version 2023. That is what we are trying to work with. So it came just 2 days ago. So let's see how to work with it. So in case you don't have it, just go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm, and then we will install it for Linux. There's also another video for Windows, so you can also check it out. So let's check it out from here. So in case you don't have, you can just download it here, which I've already done. So if I go back to my location, and then I have it here, right? So this is the previous one, which is what you are seeing here, right? But I want to get the new version, so I can go to this place, extract it here. So let's extract it here. Another way you can also update it is, or get a new version, just go to PyCharm, click on this button here, and then you see it here in case you want to upload it, right? Or update it from here. You can also see it here, but since we are using the old one, you just move with the clean install, right? Perfect. Now the solution for how to run this is just go with this. Inside here it gives you the option, though you have to unpack it and then run this command here, right? /pysh. So what I'll do is that I'll go into my J programs, and then we have my PyCharm 2023, and as you can see, we have my bin directory, have my bin, and then inside the bin, that is where we have the sh, right? So pycharm.sh. so I'll just run it. Then it's going to compile. So now it's loading the new one, which is quite cool. And perfect, this is the new one. So downloading, pre-built, sharing this. So reduce this, right? So it's starting everything, as you can see. This one looks like the old one. If I click on this, you can see that it have the enable new UI, right? Just here on the settings, or you can just go with Ctrl-Alt-S, and then you have it here. So this is a new version, which is quite cool and very nice, right? And then I can go to the new UI, enable it, and I'll click on apply. Yep. And now it's going to restart. This is how to install it, and now we have it here. Wow, which is very cool, right? The new UI is super nice. It's just like, yeah, it's having the feeling of Fleet and then the feeling of VS Code out of the box, which is very cool. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, very nice. So let's close it. You can see we have the light theme, which is very nice. You have the dark theme, we have the system theme, which my system is always dark mode, right? And we have even the compact. This is compact. This is clean, which is very cool. Wow, that is some very nice stuff, right? I like this one. I like this one, and I also like this one, right? So we have the two different versions, so let's put them side by side. I'll put it here, and then I'll do the same thing for here, right? You can see the difference between both of them. So if I compare it, you can see the difference between both of these packages, right? Or libraries, IDs. This is quite cool, right? So this is the old one, not the old one, but like the previous version, and this is the new version, right? So the project is here, the project is here. We have the commit, we have the structure, there is a structure down here, there's bookmarks. Oh, very cool. This is very nice. The new UI is cool. Does all of these things out of the box, so you can see it's working well. Perfect. See, the reason you are seeing this one as different, that this I've modified it, right? This is not just the pure one, but I've modified it with VS Code. But this is the new one, and you can see that out of the box it's just very cool. Now let's see some other stuff you can also do. So everything is there. So we have the file. Almost all the stuff that we had previously are there, right? But has been made into a simple format. So you can run it from here, like the previous one, and this one has it here, right? So whilst this is here, here it is on top of here, right? So I don't know what you like, so let me know in the comment section below which one you prefer, right? This is cool because we are used to this one, you just know where it is, but this one you just have to go to the menu bar and then you select what you want, right? Which is not bad, but the advantage of it is that see that you got the terminal, wow, which is very nice. This is just there. Let's see. Okay, you can also do the same thing. Wow, the same comparison, right? So almost the same. The UI is not that different, like the functionalities are still almost the same, which is not bad, right? But this is cooler, right, and more simplified. Let's see. This is the previous one. In case you had a console, this would have been, and now you also have this console in this format, like almost the same thing. Oh, anyway, so that in case you don't want this and you want to change this one, right, you can just click on the settings here, and then you just go to enable new UI, just take it off and apply. Okay, restart, and then we are now terminate. We are now back to the old UI or the previous UI. Yeah, this is not what I like. Anyway, it's different for me, that's why I modified. You see that this is my own modification and this is the default Dracula without any stuff, right? So let's go back and modify it to the new UI. So thank you for watching. So the idea is that you just have to go back, download it, and then install it, because me, I have two versions now. Have this one and this one, but this can switch to both of them. This only just the previous one. Now we see it here, right? You can also modify it just like we did previously. You can also do the same thing. Click on this, Alt Shift Control Alt S, and you can also add your themes by going to plugins, and I can also update my themes, so we can get our VS Code theme in case you want to do some modification. See, we have different themes there that you can add, so it supports all the themes. This is new. This is Dark Plus theme. There is a GitHub theme. There is Rider UI, right, which is very nice. So you can, oh, and this is the one we already installed, right? So that is some very cool stuff. There is Vision, like it looks like, oh, this looks different. See, all the themes are supported well. That's good. Okay, so that is how to do that. So we also need to install our database. Everything is there. Now we have gotten our theme. There is the dark vehicle theme and the rest. So that is how to use the new UI and an overview of the new GitLab UI or PyCharm UI, which is different from this one, right? So thank you for watching. See you in the next session. Stay blessed. See, wow, that is cool. See you in the next session. Stay blessed. Bye.